Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amira Mishra. In this lecture, I am going to discuss with you operation on set. Operation on sets. So firstly, listed below all operations. First one is union of sets. Second one, intersection of sets. Third one, disjoint sets. Fourth one, difference of two sets. Difference of sets. Fifth one, complement of sets. Complement of a set. And sixth one is symmetric difference of two sets. So these are the all operation on sets. So let's start from first one. What is the union of set? Union of set. Union of sets. Friends, what is this? The union of, write down the definition, the union of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong either to A or B or to both A and B. If you write in set builder form, so you can write. So what is the firstly you know about the symbol of the union of set. The symbol of the union of set is shows like a U. So here I can write the union between the two sets. What is this? A union B is the element of X, all the element of X where X belongs to A, either X belongs to A or X belongs to B or to both A and B. Right, friend? Now taking one example, suppose then let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, I am taking this one, and B equal to 5, 6. Now operate this operation in A and B. So comes A union B equal to, combine all the element and make a one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the union of A and B. Set A and B. If you have three sets, now taking other one example, suppose then I have A is 1, 2, 3, B has 1, 3, 5, 7, and C has 8, 9. So now if you want A union B union C, so what you do? If you want to this one, what you do? Firstly you find A union B, or you can find B union C. according to your choice. So firstly I am find A union B. So what is combined all the elements of A and B? So what is comes? 1 2 1. 1 is here, 1 is also here. So taking only in one time. So 1 taking only in one time, 1 and 2, 3 is here also, 3 is also here, A and B both. So taking 3 and 5 and 7. This is your A union B. Now make this A union B to union of C. It means this one. Now combine this set to elements of C set. So it comes 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. And this is your A union B union C. So friends, this is your union of sets. Now next one is intersection of set. Intersection. Now second operation is intersection of sets. So firstly write down the definition. What is the intersection? The intersection of A and B, two sets A and B, intersection of two sets, sorry यहाँ पे लिख लीजिएगा, two sets A and B is the set of all those elements that belong to both A and B. Friends, its symbol is reverse of U. It means you have taken the symbol of this one, this. So describe in set builder form between A and B. So A intersection B is defined as elements of X where X belongs to A and X belongs to B also. So this is define the intersection between A and B set. Now taking example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4, 5. Now if you want to find A intersection B, so what is the common between both sets? Which element? So friends, here you see only 3. So A intersection B is 3. Now taking other one example. Now this is your first one. Now taking other one example. Suppose I have taken A equal to 4, 5, 3, 2, 1 and B equal to 3, 4, 7, 8. Suppose on this one. Now you find A intersection B. So here you get common elements. You find the common element. So here 4 is here. It means it comes. 5 is not here. 3 is here. So 3 comes. Now 2 it's not here. 1 it's not here. So only 4 and 3 elements are common. So A intersection B is your 4 and 3. Right friend? So this is the intersection of set. Now third operation, I have taken third operation, which one is disjoint set. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. So what is the definition of disjoint set? So write down the definition of disjoint set. So let two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B equal to phi. If this property is hold, A intersection B equal to phi, then we see that A and B are disjoint set. For example, I have taken one. Suppose then A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. So you see here in both sets there is no element is common. It means A intersection B equal to phi. So you can say both sets, both given sets are disjoint sets. Okay friends. Now taking next operation, difference of sets. So difference of sets. So define the difference of sets. The difference, write on the definition. The difference of two sets A and B is written as A minus B is the set of all those elements of A which do not belong to B. So it's defined now. A minus B means elements of X where X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. It means A minus B containing all the elements which are belong only in A, not in B. Right friends? Now taking some other example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. And suppose then you have to find A minus B. So what is the A minus B? A minus B are all the elements which are only belong to A, not in B. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 elements of A and elements of B. This is your B. Elements of B is 3, 4, 5, 6. So see here, this is 1, 2, 3 and 3 is also in B. So we are not taking in B element. So we are taking only the element which are left in A. So only elements which are belong to only in A, those are the 1, 2. So A minus B are 1, 2. Okay friends. So this is the difference of. The next operation is, fifth one is complement of set. So write down the definition. Let U be the universal set and let A be a set such that A is a proper subset of universal set. As you know about this symbol is known as a proper subset. Then the complement of A with respect to universal set is denoted by A complement or A power of C in this form, or universal set minus A. So it is defined as universal set minus A. It means A complement equal to, now taking the definition of difference of set. So it's the element of X where X belongs to universal set and X does not belong to A. It means A complement means all elements which are belong to universal set but not belong to A. For example, let I have taken a universal set is this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again taken a set is 3, 5, 2. Now you can find the A complement. It means universal set minus A. So you are taking the elements of only belong to universal set, not in A. So here in A 3, 5, 2, and here you can find remaining element except these elements of universal set. So which one? 1, don't take the 2, don't take 3, 4, and only 5 is also here, so 6. So A complement is 1, 4, 6, and this is the complement of set. Now next one operation is symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference of two sets. So write down the definition of this one. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong either to A minus B or to B minus A, either to A minus B or to B minus A or to both A minus B and B minus A. So what is the symbol of symmetric difference? Symmetric difference symbol is denoted by triangle. If you are taking the in Z builder form, A minus A symmetric difference symbol, B equal to symmetric difference of two set equal to, you can write this one, A minus B union of B minus A, or you can define in set builder form element of X where X does not belong to A intersection B. A symmetric difference of two sets, it means A minus B, difference of A minus B, or taking the difference B minus A of union. Okay, now taking the union, or you can define as like this one, a symmetric difference, it means elements of X where X does not belongs to A intersection B. So this is the symmetric difference of two sets. Now taking one example to understand this. So let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now taking B 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can find asymmetric B. Now you can find asymmetric B. Symmetric difference B. So how? Firstly you can find A minus B, because in definition you can find this quantity. So firstly you find A minus B. What is the A minus B? Elements of which belongs to only in A, not in B. So here you can check A elements are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which is only belong in A, those element set. So a collection of only in A elements is called A minus B. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now comparing both A set and B set. So you can have here only 2 is not here, so only 2 in A, and 4 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 also in there. So you can, so don't take it. So only elements of A minus B is 2, 4. Now similarly you can find B minus A. So B minus A, you can check B minus A. So only the element which are left in B. So comparing B and A, so you can find only 9. It's only in B, not in A. So this element is 9. So element of A minus B is 2, 4, and B minus is 9. Now you can find A intersection, A symmetric difference of B is comes union of this one. It means taking the union of both. So you can find combine both. So 2, 4 and 9, because you know about the union definition. Union definition means you can combine all the set elements. So you can find asymmetric difference of B equal to 2, 4, 9, and this is your symmetric difference of given sets. So now friends, this is all about the operation on set you can find here. Now I'm taking one example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and C equals to, third one set, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you can find A union B, B intersection C, A union C, A minus B, B minus C, and A union B intersection C, and seventh one is A intersection B intersection of B intersection C. Okay friends, I have taken one question and where I have taken 3 sets A, B, C, and find these A union B, B intersection C, A union C, A minus B, B minus C, A union B intersection C, and A intersection B intersection B intersection C. So applying all operation, you can see here I am using operation. union, intersection and difference. So solving, so taking first one, A union B. As you know about the union, union means you can combine all the elements of both sets. So here A is a element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5 are repeated, so you are taking only in one time. So A union B are the collection of all the elements of A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So this is your A union B. Now second one is B intersection C. Now you see the elements of B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here is C is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and you can find intersection and you know you are taking in intersection a common elements of both sets. So here which one is common element? So you can see 7, 8. 7, 8 is a common, so its answer is 7, 8. Now third one is A union C. A union C. Now taking set A and C. So operation is union. It means combined all the elements. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So combined all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is all the elements of A union C. Now fourth one is A minus B. A minus B. A minus B means you are taking only the elements of A, which collection of elements which belongs to only in A. So here A minus B. So you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 4, 5 is common. So don't take it. Only the elements left in A, those are 1, 2, 3. So here answer is 1, 2, 3. Now this is fourth one and this is your fifth one. Fifth one you can find B minus C. So you are seeing the element of B and C. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and C is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you are taking only the elements of B. So here is only 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8 element are common in also in C. So common element. So don't take it. So B minus C it means 4, 5, 6. Now sixth one is A union B intersection C. So firstly find the A union B intersection C. So you can see here the B intersection you find in second one 7, 8. You can find before B intersection C it comes 7, 8. So you are taking the A union of B intersection C. So here A is this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now you are taking the union of this set yani B intersection C. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and union of this one yani combined A set to B intersection C set. So it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Firstly write the elements of A and now the elements of B intersection C and this one is 7, 8. So this is the answer of A union B intersection C. Now next one is seventh one. A intersection B intersection of B intersection C. So B intersection C is this one and A intersection B. A intersection B you can find the A intersection B firstly. A intersection B. So here A intersection B comes. Firstly you can write this one which you want to find. A intersection B comes. You watch here. Here is only 4, 5. So you are taking the intersection. It means 4, 5. Now taking the intersection of B intersection C. It means 7, 8. Now taking the intersection. So here you can see 4, 5 and 7, 8. Both in both set no element is common. It means it comes 5. So in this case intersection B and B intersection C are the disjoint set because it gives the intersection value is 5. Right? So this is all about your this results of this question. Now taking second one example, let universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. A is 1 2 3 4, B is 2 4 6 8, and C is 3 4 5 6. Now you can find A complement, second one is B complement, third one is find A intersection C complement, fourth one is A union B complement, and fifth one is A complement of complement, and sixth one is find B minus C complement. Okay, so now find it. First one, A complement. A complement means universal set minus A. It means you have taken only the elements which are belong to only in universal set, excepting not in A. It means if you write this one, it means if you compare universal set and A, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 is also in here, so you don't take it. You can take only 5 6 7 8 9, and this is your A complement, right? Because you know very well A complement means universal set minus A, so this is the set only the elements belong in universal set. The second one is find B complement. So B complement is comes B complement. So here you can see 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, leaving these elements, so you can you can have 2 4 6 8, so you can have 1 3 5 7 and 9, 1 3 5 7 and 9, leaving the 2 4 6 8 because this is belong in B. So this is the B complement set, because B complement means universal set minus B. It means you have taken only the element which are belong to universal set, not in B. Okay, now next one is third one is A intersection C complement. A intersection C complement. So here you can see A. Firstly you find the A intersection C. Firstly you find A intersection C. So we can find here A intersection C. So what will we get? A intersection C. So here you can find which one is common element. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the common elements. So you can have 3 and 4. Now taking the complement of A intersection C. It means elements which are belong to universal set but not in A intersection C. So it means don't take 3 4 element, and leaving 3 4 element, take all the elements of universal set. It means it comes 1 2 5 6 7 8 9, and this is your universal set of this is your complement of A intersection C. Now A intersection C complement. Now fourth one is A union B complement. So firstly you can find the A union B. So I can find here A union B. A union B. It means you can see 1 2 3 4. So 2 4 are repeated. So we can write here 1 2 3 4 6 8, and this is your A union B. Now you're taking A union B complement. It means you have to take only the elements of universal set which are not belong to A union B. So leaving these elements of universal set. So which one comes? 1 2 3 4 and 6 gone and 8 gone. It means comes only 5 7 and 9, and this is your A union B complement. Okay friend. Now taking next one is This is your fourth one. Now taking next one is fifth one is A complement is complement. A complement is complement. So you know about the A complement. You can find what is the A complement comes. A complement comes, which one? You know about the A complement comes. This is your A. This is your A complement. A complement comes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means you have to take in the A complement of complement. Right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leaving this element and lefting the element in universal set. So leaving 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can get only 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So leaving the elements of A complement. It means A complement means you have to leave the elements universal set minus A complement. It means you have to take only the elements of universal set. Leaving all these elements does not belong to be A complement. So next one is B minus C complement. B minus C complement. So firstly you have to find the B minus C elements. B minus C. So what is your B? B is your 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is your 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So what about the B minus C? B minus C, it means elements which are belong only in B. So here you can see 2, 4. So here is 4 also and 6 belong also in C. So you can take only the elements which are left in B is 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Right? 2 and 8. 4, 6 is in here. So B minus C is 2, 8. So if you are taking the B minus C complement, it means those elements which are belong to universal set are not belong to B minus C. It means if you have to take B minus C complement, it means universal set minus B minus C. Means, so you can write here elements which are left in universal set. Which one? Remaining deleting these elements. So you can have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, don't take 8 and 9, and these are the elements of B minus C complement. Okay friends, so this is the all about your complement of sets. This is all about your operations which are following some different formulas, some different examples. So you can, now this is your all about your operation on set. Thank you.